What's up guys? Welcome back to another video here on Cohen's RV Thrills. Today we're taking a look at a really cool floor plan. Sorry that every single freaking vehicle we have here at Thrills is parked at this exact RV that I'm doing. How ironic. This is the 290 RT case. This is a Wildwood, Forest River Wildwood FSX floor plan, and it is a toy hauler, as you can see, because I've got the back down over there. So it's a hot day, so we're gonna try and make this quick but professional. So starting off here at the front, we've got this beautiful pass-through storage area. We've got a Ram jack, propane area. Battery disconnect is right there. Battery is supposed to go right here when there's a battery box on it. Let's see, what do we got over here? We have power extending stabilizer jacks. You see that one going down over there? So these will extend via this. So that's very nice and convenient. This RV only has one slide on it, so that's nice if you don't like a whole lot of slides. City water connections right here. You can put a garden hose right here, so pop that off and then put your hose right in there and boom, you got it. 50 amp power goes to this RV. You got more jacks right here. Cable plug right there. Let's see what else we got. So this is the party deck right here / ramp. So that's real nice to have. This might be like the only footage we'll get of this very well because I have to crawl over benches. You know what? Screw it. We're going to crawl over benches to get on it. So, yeah, because this table's really heavy and I can't get it up. So, yeah, there's a table right there. This will be a bed because if you want these mattresses on there, you can put it there, have extra sleeping space. Now, these blinds right here are really neat because if you pop them off, there's a window here. But these are blackout blinds. Now, why would they have this, may I ask? Well, may you ask, technically. So, when you are using your toy hauler, you're gonna have a lot of expensive things like out here, like that ATV that we've got outside, that little Polaris. You don't want people looking in your RV, seeing all your fun stuff in there, so they got these blackout blinds to prevent that. So pretty nice, isn't it? We have these 1,500 pound, sorry, not 15,000 pound, 1,500 pound tie downs right here. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So there's 9 of them. So yeah, we've got 9 of those 1,500 pound tie downs. Very nice. You got a TV right here and an area for your second thermostat. So that's nice. What else we got? Road mode accessible breaker panel. Love that. Washer dryer prep, so you can have a washer dryer right here. Fully adjustable shelves. Very nice. What do we got in here? Sorry, that door shut real hard. So over here is your bathroom. You got your toilet, your shower, and your vent right there. You've also got storage right here on the side. Hello, I'm sweaty today, jeez. You've also got countertop space, a backlit mirror, very nice. Now the industry term for this, they call it the luminous arched radius mirror. That's it. So that is what they call it in the industry. So you've also got storage and plumbing access down there. More storage right there as well. Whew! How hot is it today? I don't even have my watch on. I don't even know how hot it is. It's hot, I'll just say that. You got your Furrion freeze. Oh gosh. Oh wait, that feels good. It feels really good. Oh, it feels so good. I love, on a hot day, I just love to stick my face in a freezer like that. It just feels so good. Oh, okay, so that's your Furrion 12-volt fridge. You got plenty of storage above there. Theater seats right here. Now, what on earth is little... Oh, it's a drawer. Yo, I haven't seen that. That's awesome. Now, right here, this folds down to give you cup holders. Very nice. And this is also footrests, so somebody can sleep out here if they want to. They can just go, boom. You can have a little sofa there, at least if you're like 5 foot, like me. You got bar stools right here, because got this little bar area, very nice. And plenty of, well, this is actually really deep storage right there. I like that. Let's move these out the way, see what we got here. Oh, storage and drawers, very nice. I like that. Cool, 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 cool. You've also got your air fry convection microwave right there. 3-burner Furrion stove. Plenty of countertop space, nice sink. plumbing access and storage down there. Let's see. Can I open that other side? I can. Sweet. And above here, we have, wow, it's really big. I like all that storage. And also you got your vent hood right here as well. Super nice. Oh, look at that. Plenty of storage. Really love that. Yeah. Alrighty. And also something really cool about this RV, it comes with this. Now don't worry, this is not my cell phone. This is, this ain't even really a cell phone. It's a remote for the RV. So, let's see, what can I do here to demonstrate this? So, let's see, main lights. Let's turn these off via this. Come on. Use my little finger, come on. Oh, there we go. Okay, so I clicked that. You saw the main lights turn off, right? I'll click it again. Come on. My finger's probably so dirty. There we go. Yeah, so you can see when it works, it's very handy to use, and it just has this little pocket that it goes right into. And you can also connect your phone to it via the Lippert Connect app, which I have on my phone. So I can use my personal cell phone to control this RV, like lights, slides, water pump, water heater, stuff like that, awning, jacks, all that fun stuff. You've also got USB and USB-C plugs, because this will need charging eventually. You've also got a pre-mounted TV backer up there. I love that. And you have JBL speakers that come standard with this. That's awesome. You've also got plugins for the TV right there too, so all the good things. Now up here is your bedroom, so you got this kind of dual entry right here. The pet step, of course, or small person step as I like to call it, because I'm a small person. You've also got abyss storage right there, and shelving. USB, USB-C, and GFI plugs. So if you want to put a CPAP on either side of this, you can. Let's see, there's more storage over there. Let's go take a look at that. Let's see. Ooh, nice hanger storage. Like that. What else we got? Ah, you can put a laundry hamper right there and access that via the pass-through storage. I like that too. Alright, so that's pretty much the RV. We covered that in 7 minutes, guys. That's awesome. So, yeah, it's good for me because, oh, it's hot. Yeah, hot Indiana day, am I right? So, yeah, if you guys want to get this RV for yourself for the best price in America, please visit thrillsrv.com or come to where we are local in Columbia City, Indiana. I hope to see you here soon. Peace.